This is a 2009 Chevrolet Cobalt. This compact has an automatic transmission and an inline 4-cylinder engine. All of the following features are included: XM satellite radio, aluminum wheels, a low tire pressure indicator, a passenger side vanity mirror, a security system, privacy glass, traction control, dusk sensing headlights, air conditioning, and this vehicle has less than 33,000 miles. With an EPA estimated rating of 37 miles per gallon on the highway, fuel efficiency does not take a back seat. Contact us today to arrange your test drive.
Conklin Cars Newton is dedicated to doing everything possible to ensure that the experience you have selecting your next vehicle is as pleasant as possible. We're located at 1500 East 3rd in Newton.